Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot use Google Chrome or Google Play Store on Motorola Moto G53. And to do this, first let's identify the problem, and here we're gonna download something from a Google Play Store. When we hit on install, it changes into pending mode and it's stuck in this forever. So let's cancel it for now and move on to Google Chrome. Open YouTube, for example, and there's also this problem. And to fix it, we'll need to open the settings. Now scroll all the way down to find the system, enter date and time, and set time automatically. Go back. Now if you open your browser and refresh the page, it should actually open, and the same is with Google Play Store. Here we can install Steam and it will run normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.